2009 Mercedes-Benz Pringason SL. Price $40,650. Location: Oregon, USA. The 1986 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL is a true icon of luxury and timeless automotive design, representing one of the most desirable eras of Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship. Finished in its stunning factory signal red, this classic roadster immediately commands attention wherever it goes, blending elegance with a bold and sporty character that still feels relevant decades later. The low mileage of just under 30,000 miles makes this example exceptionally rare and highly collectible. The fact that it has spent its life in California further enhances its appeal, as the dry climate has helped preserve both its exterior and mechanical condition. This is not just a car. It's a carefully maintained piece of history that reflects pride of ownership and attention to detail. The versatility of this 560 SL is one of its strongest highlights. Equipped with both a removable hardtop and a soft convertible top, it gives you the freedom to enjoy two completely different driving experiences. Whether you prefer the quiet comfort of a coupe or the thrill of open-air cruising, this car delivers both with effortless style. The driving experience is powered by a smooth and reliable V8 fuel-injected engine, paired with an automatic transmission that ensures a relaxed yet confident ride. With features like power steering and four-wheel disc brakes, the car offers a driving feel that is both comfortable and controlled, making it perfect for long highway cruises or casual weekend drives. The interior is equally impressive, featuring anthracite upholstery complemented by beautiful burl walnut wood trim. Modern conveniences such as air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and a classic Becker Grand Prix radio provide a blend of vintage charm and everyday usability. Every detail inside the cabin reminds you that this car was built with luxury in mind. The 1986 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL is more than just a classic car. It's a statement. It represents an era when quality, durability, and elegance were the foundation of automotive excellence. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, this is a rare opportunity to own a vehicle that not only looks stunning, but also delivers a driving experience that stands the test of time.